Toys aren't just for kids. Sometimes your workspace can get boring, and there's nothing like spicing things up a bit with a few gadgets. But what kind of decor should you get? You could go for this beautiful and mesmerizing moonlight that levitates, or you could go for an old-fashioned Newton cradle. However, if you want something new that you can play with mindlessly, then the bottle of ferrofluid will blow your mind. Take a look at these coolest Kinetic Gadgets. The links of all of these products are mentioned in the description, so don't forget to check that. 10. Desktop Cornhole Miniature Edition. The Cornhole is a popular game that is found in carnivals or lawn parties, where the goal of the game is to land the most number of bags from one side of the platform to the other. The miniaturized Cornhole game keeps all the fun of the actual setup intact, and is great to set some time aside to play a game or two with your office mates. 9. Coffee Mate. Put Sunnytech's Stirling engine contraption on top of your morning mug of hot coffee and watch it whirl and hear it clink. When it stops, you'll know your beverage has reached a pleasing drinking temperature. 8. Kinetic Sand. Bring out your inner creativity by molding the Kinetic Sand into any shape that you might imagine. The clay-like substance is made up of entirely non-sticky ingredients, so you don't have to worry about a messy work desk. The toy is suitable for individuals looking to create shapes or figures, and can provide minutes of distraction from your mundane working experience. 7. Wood Rolling Stick Toy. The wood rolling stick is a simple and entertaining way to toss a wooden piece of block that will roll its way to your target. You can roll the block around and toss it back to your other hand, and so forth. While there is no set goal for the wood rolling stick toy, the process of shifting the block back and forth is highly addictive and entertaining. 6. Nanoblock Kit. Remember playing with your favorite building blocks as a kid? Every time you created a magnificent design with those blocks, you would get the impeding rush of showing it to every kid in your neighborhood. Now, recreate the same experience with the Nanoblock Kit, except the neighborhood is now your office space. 5. The Calm Cube. The Calm Cube is a phenomenal piece of equipment that allows you to quickly de-stress your mind with its various functions. The cube is shaped like a dice. Each side of the surface has a unique feature to it. The toy allows you to click rubber buttons, flip switches, spin wheels, glide a joystick, and roll over a surface. Due to its various functions, the Calm Cube is a perfect desk toy to keep around when you feel like you need to de-stress. 4. Hanayama Cast Puzzle. An important activity to consider when you feel the need to calm down is to distract your brain with an activity such as solving puzzles. The Hanayama Level 3 Cast Puzzle is an ideal object that allows you to recreate a design by interlocking metal pieces together. Each design is more complex than the next. Once the design is achieved, you can choose to display the metal piece on your work desk for others to appreciate. 3. The Magic Decision Maker. During our hectic work schedule, we may need something more than board games to distract us from our complicated thought processes. That's where the Magic Decision Maker comes in. It's an object that works by pulling a metal pendulum back and by thinking of a question, then letting loose of the pendulum. Once the pendulum stops, the word that it highlights is your answer to the problem in mind. 2. Kendama. The Kendama is famous in Japan for being a traditional cup and ball game that has been entertaining kids and adults alike for years. The trick is to throw the ball portion of the object into the air and try and catch it with the wood cups provided. What makes the Kendama extremely fun for the average working professional is that it takes little to no prior experience to understand how it works. 1. Silly Putty. The Silly Putty is the 20th century's reimagination of what the 1950s was like with its cool retro packaging. The toy itself is like wet clay, except there isn't any mess when you're done with it, which makes it an ideal work desk toy. You can twist and cut it into different shapes and sizes. The experience is like touching taffy and is ideal for relieving stress symptoms. The classic toy offers more fun than you can handle. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to buy. You can buy any of the products from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.